spend Today I'll spend $100 billion to send Nolan to Mars. Today I've decided to make 1,000 bots on YouTube to make AI slop. That's it. I'm done. I'm burning all of my money right now. You know what, guys? I'm burning all my money in YouTube.
You know, I can buy the galaxy right now, you know.
Look at this land.
Dude, one time I fought Vladimir Putin, and I couldn't lay a hand on him, or I would have got shot.
That's it. I'm done. I'm deleting my channel right now. Bro78 said, why? I'm fucking burnt out, man. Jay,